Ang dami nilang pa-dinner guys kasi mag-check out na kami bukas. I mean, discharge. May gulay, tapos may lemonade, tapos may cake. Pwede na ako kumain ng cake. Sarap.
Wash them out. Hey, look at
And
this.
then look,
Can we sit down?
ang sarap. Mashed potato, beans, tapos steak.
Come on.
Ang sarap ng dinner namin. May pa ano sila, may pa treat dinner pag mag-discharge ka na pag kinabukasan. Ito kami na asawa ko. Taste good?
Very good.
Diba? Sarap ng dinner namin guys.
Babe, this is
And
cheese.
lovely